Hi there, welcome to Time Studios. My name is Santos Vandari and I am a technical account manager based out of Sydney. Today's feature review is on guided setup experience for CX Cloud installation. Let's get started. Now, administrators can install and configure CX Cloud and Salesforce Service Cloud packages directly within Salesforce. Our new guided setup ensures accuracy with step-by-step instructions, provides clear visibility into the process, and even highlights required configurations. With product readiness checks and clear next steps, deployment is smoother than ever. Following are the licenses required for this setup. Let's see how this new guided experience works in demo environment. Here I am in my sandbox environment where I have already installed CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce core package. Inside the core package, I can go and click on the configure. And on this configure options, we have OAuth settings. So once we provide this OAuth settings, we go back to the package listing and then we install this voice for Salesforce Service Cloud. In our case, we have already installed this one. In this release, changes have been made to this package. So we have guided experience available in the configuration section. For that, we click on configure. Here you can see we have different options available. First one is get started. Here it provides us information on all the preliminary steps like creating a contact center Lightning app, creating presence status, assigning them to agents, assign contact center permissions to users, create and configure voice call record page for agents. So it also provides links to all those settings. Previously, we had to follow the resource center article or setup guide provided to complete these steps. Now they are all listed here, which makes it very, very easy. So once we finish all these get started items, then we go to create a contact center here. So in this create a contact center options, we have all the necessary steps to create a contact center. First, we generate a contact center XML, create a contact center in Salesforce, and once we create, we select a contact center. And then once we complete these three steps, then following steps are going to be available. So here in this space, we created a contact center. After we create a contact center, then we go to the next tab here, which is configuring the contact center. In our case, we have created one contact center. Here we configure the contact center. There are lots of options available as well, like status management, enhanced status sync, conversation field mapping, and all those things. If we need to add or remove user in future or configure it based on the latest requirement, we can always come back and do our changes here. So with this new update, we have all the steps required for CX Cloud integration within this CX Cloud from Genesys and Salesforce Service Cloud voice package. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, please comment below or email us at timestudios@genesys.com.